How to install shaders on Minecraft 121.5. So what you have to do firstly is you're gonna have to click on escape, then you have to click on save and quit to then once you close Minecraft, you're gonna have to open up a browser of your choice. As you guys can see, I have Google Chrome open, so you could open up any browser, it does not matter. Then once you do that, you're gonna have to search up Fabric. As you guys can see, I just searched up Fabric. You're gonna have to click on the first option right here where it says fabricmc.net. If it doesn't come up, search up Fabric Minecraft. Then once you open this, you're gonna have to click on download right here. You're gonna have to click on download for Windows. Then you're gonna have to wait till it downloads. Now from here, you're gonna have to click on this option right here where it said install Fabric APL into the mods folder. Just click on that. Now from here, you're gonna have to go to files. Now from here, you're gonna have to click on this option right here where it said Fabric APL 0.1195.121.5. Make sure it said Fabric on top for the mod loaders. And for the game version, make sure it say 1.21. So just click on that. Now you're gonna have to click on the three dots all the way to the right. You're gonna have to click on downloads. Now it should take a while. It should start downloading. As you guys can see, it just downloaded. Now from here, you're just gonna go back. Now you're gonna have to click on search for Minecraft mods. You're gonna have to search up Sodium. We need this in order to go and run the shaders. So just click on the first one right here, Sodium. Now you're gonna have to click on files option right here. You're gonna have to find the one for the game version 1.21.5. Make sure it's Fabric. It's Sodium right here, 0.6.12 for Fabric. You're gonna have to go all the way to the right. Click on download file again. Then like we did before, you're gonna have to wait again until it downloads. So I'm gonna just wait a few minutes. As you guys can see, it just downloaded. Now you're gonna go back again. Here, what you have to do is you're just gonna have to go back again. Now from here, you're gonna have to come back to this search right here. You're gonna have to search up Iris shaders. This works with Sodium, so just click on the first one right here, click on files here where it said iOS 1.8.10 for Fabric. Make sure it's 121, and right here make sure it's set Fabric. You're gonna have to do the same thing we did 2 times before. Click on the 3 signs, click on download file again. Now from here, like we did 2 times before, you're gonna have to wait again a few minutes till it downloads. You're gonna have to go back now. Now from here, once you come back here again, now from here, you're gonna have to do something different. You're gonna have to click on mods option right here or right here. I'm gonna just click on right here. Now from here, you're gonna have to come to the left, browse by, click on shaders right here. You have many options you could choose from. For example, the first one right here. If you do click on galleries, you can see the pictures and how it looks. You could also click on description, scroll down, you have more pictures you could look from. You could do that for every single one until you find the one you like. So I'm gonna just go back. And I like this one usually right here. If I click on gallery, it looks very nice. So I like this one personally. So I'm gonna just go with this one. And then once you like the shaders you like, click on it, go to files. Now from here, you're gonna have to click on the option right here where it said 1.21.5. That's the game version. So just click on it, click on download file. Now we're gonna have to do the same thing. Just wait a few minutes till it downloads. Now from here, once it downloads, what you have to do is you're gonna have to just cross this out. You're gonna have to open up your files. Then once you open up your files, make sure you go to downloads and make sure this is all there. Then once you see all of them is there, make sure you click on Fabric Installer right here. Then once this opens up, make sure you click on Install. Make sure this version is on 1.21.5. Then once you do that, click on Install. Click on Yes. Click on OK. Then once it's installed, just cross this out. Go on the search button. Make sure you search up Minecraft Launcher. Once you search up Minecraft Launcher, open it. Then once you open Minecraft Backup, make sure you click on Installation right here. Now from here, you're gonna have to click on Fabric Loader 1.21.5. You're gonna have to click on the file option right here. Once you do that, make sure you find mods. Once you click on mods, it should be empty. What you have to do is you're gonna have to click on this file option right here. You're gonna have to go back to your downloads. Then once you're back to your downloads, make sure you put Fabric API, drag it to under mods right here. You're gonna have to do the same thing for Sodium Fabric, just drag it bottom. Now you're gonna have to do the same thing for Iris Fabric, just drag it there again. So there should be a 3 under your mods. Once you do that, you're gonna have to go back to Minecraft. Then once you're back in Minecraft again, under installation, you're gonna have to click on Fabric Loader again, click on play this time. Then just wait till it installs. Then your game should reopen. So just wait a few minutes. As you guys can see, it's loading right there. Then once your Minecraft reopens, make sure you click on options, click on video settings. And as you guys can see, it changed. It doesn't look the same anymore. You're gonna have to click on shader pack. Now from here, you're gonna have to go back to your files. Make sure you are under downloads. You're gonna have to drag this right here. Drag it right here. Then once you put it, you're gonna have to select it. Make sure this is enabled. Then once that happens, just click on apply. Now from here, just click on done again. Now if you go back on Minecraft and open your world, everything does look different and way better. So if that helped you, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. That's basically how you download and install shaders. Thank you for watching.